Hey, my name is Liyuna and I go to Basis Independent Silicon Valley, and this is my milestone 3. For this milestone, I used the two components and had them working together. The first step for that was to make sure the Bluetooth was working, which I had done previously in my second milestone. Then I tested my accelerometer, which has four components: the accelerometer, the gyroscope, and the temperature sensor. For this milestone, I only had to use the accelerometer, which measures the angle at which the device is at. Then I uploaded the code, and the important parts of the code are um, some lines that say that if the accelerometer is at a certain angle, it is considered going backward or forward or front or left. Um, I also use the serial monitor a lot because I found out it was the best for debugging, so I could tell which parts were working and which parts weren't. So this is how my project works. Okay. Some challenges for this project were first with the accelerometer. At first, it was showing 127 on all axes, which means it's not connected properly. So I had to check the SDA and SCL pins, which are important because the SCL pin sends the Arduino a message that says it's ready to send data, and the SDL sends the actual message. I also had errors with my code, and originally I had flags, which I found out were unnecessary, so I removed those. I also use the serial monitor, as I said before, because it's easy for debugging. So I was able to see that the accelerometer was working properly, but the robot was not able to comprehend the message. So for that, first I made sure everything in the code was correct and I had the correct baud rate. Then I changed the code so that it wouldn't use Bluetooth and it would just use the command from the serial monitor by changing the serial message to without Bluetooth. So I tested that and it worked. Another issue I had was one side was not working, which is an issue I had before. I found out that my wiring was slightly coming out. Um, the last issue I had was with the batteries. For the robot, I found out that I had to keep changing the AA batteries because they ran out very quickly. So I changed that to a 9-volt battery. And for the hand controller, I found out that the 9-volt battery doesn't have enough current, so I changed it to a power bank. For my next milestone, I will be working on my modification.